smack the right wagon.
Sorry, come on, let's go.
Come. Lily wants to touch it. Jackie, let's pick her up.
This plane crashed near a small island in the Pacific Ocean. Luckily, the US Navy was there to help rescue people and get them out of the plane before it sank. This person jumped in a paramotor and got some incredible visuals of the pyramids in Egypt. These two dogs are best friends and got to see each other for the first time in a week. This police officer was about to cross over these railroad tracks when a train came out of nowhere. The warning barriers came down after the train already went through.
Be advised, the gates did not go down at the metro tracks on 191. I almost got struck. I think metro's out here.
This person received an incredibly realistic tattoo of Tupac. This person was caught on camera trying to steal a bike from a police station. That's it in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!